Do you know that the words you speak about money can either pull it closer to you or push it further away? The thoughts you choose, the sentences you repeat, they are shaping your financial future every single day, whether you realize it or not. Today, we are going to break that cycle because I'll be sharing with you the 7 most powerful money affirmations you can use to reprogram your mind for wealth, abundance, and freedom. These aren't just phrases, these are affirmations that have worked for thousands of people. Words that, when you truly believe them, can shift the way you see opportunities, the way money flows into your life, and the way you hold on to it. Here's what I want you to do as you go through them. Don't just listen, say them with me, out loud if you can, whisper them if you have to. And if you really want to lock them into your mind, type them in the comments as we go. That way, you've spoken them into existence and written them into reality. Are you ready? Say it with me. I am ready. Good. Now let's begin. Affirmation number 1. Money flows to me easily and effortlessly. Say that with me. Money flows to me easily and effortlessly. Feel how light those words are. There's no strain, no fight, just flow. Imagine it like a golden river of opportunity, always moving, always available, and you're standing right on the bank. You simply reach out and it comes to you. Now, I know for some of you, money might have always felt like a struggle, like it's something you have to chase, or fight for, or beg for. But here's the truth. Money is energy, and energy flows to where it's welcomed, not where it's feared. When you repeat this affirmation, you're telling the world and your own subconscious mind that money is welcome here, that you trust it to arrive, and you're ready to receive it without tension. Let's say it again and really mean it this time. Money flows to me easily and effortlessly. One more time with a smile. Money flows to me easily and effortlessly. Now, I want you to type it in the comments. Not for me, not for the algorithm, but for you. Because the moment you write it down, you've planted a seed, and seeds grow. Affirmation number 2. I am a magnet for wealth and abundance. Say it with me. I am a magnet for wealth and abundance. Magnets don't chase, they don't beg, they attract, and that's you. Everything you need, the right clients, the right opportunities, the right ideas is drawn towards you right now. You are tuned into the frequency of wealth, and just like a radio, when you tune in, you hear the songs you want. When you tune into wealth, you see the chances that others miss. Now close your eyes for a moment. Picture money flowing towards you. Picture offers, partnerships, promotions, sales, all moving in your direction, like metal to a magnet. You don't run after them, you stand where you are and they arrive. Say it again. I am a magnet for wealth and abundance. Say it louder. I am a magnet for wealth and abundance. Now, lock it in. Type it in the comments, because the moment you write it, you claim it. Affirmation number 3. I deserve to be paid well for my skills. Say it with me. I deserve to be paid well for my skills. This is not arrogance. This is not greed. This is worth. You have skills. Maybe it's teaching, maybe it's designing, maybe it's selling, maybe it's caring for others. Whatever it is, it has value, and value should be rewarded. Too many people underprice themselves because they think I'm not experienced enough or they won't pay that much. No, the moment you believe you deserve to be paid well, others will believe it too. You are not asking for a favor, you are exchanging value for value. And when you provide something worth having, you deserve to be compensated fairly and generously for it. Let's repeat it again with confidence in our voice. I deserve to be paid well for my skills. One more time. I deserve to be paid well for my skills. Now, think of one skill you have. Picture someone paying you for it. Feel that gratitude and that certainty. Affirmation number 4. Every day, I'm becoming richer and richer. Now say it with me. Every day, I'm becoming richer and richer. Wealth isn't a one-time event. It's a process. And that process happens daily, even on days you can't see it yet. Maybe today, the money didn't hit your account, but you learned something valuable. Maybe today, you planted a seed. Maybe today, you made a connection. Now, that's wealth in motion because you are rising step by step, day by day. And as long as you keep moving forward, your financial life keeps improving. So say it again. Every day, I'm becoming richer and richer. One more time. Every day, I'm becoming richer and richer. Now claim your next 24 hours by typing everyday richer in the comments. It's a small action with big momentum. Affirmation number 5. I am open to receiving unlimited wealth. Say it with me. I am open to receiving unlimited wealth. Most people block money because they put a limit on what they think they can have. But here is the truth. Money is not a pie. You taking more does not mean others get less. There is no limit to how wealthy one can be. When you open yourself to receiving, you also open doors to others because your wealth allows you to give, to invest, and to create opportunities. So say it again. I am open to receiving unlimited wealth. This time, say it with your arms wide open. Feel it, because that's you welcoming abundance. Write it down, claim it, and own it. Affirmation number 6. I am grateful for the wealth I have and the wealth on its way. Say this with me. I am grateful for the wealth I have and the wealth on its way. Gratitude multiplies everything it touches. When you appreciate what you have, you create space for more to arrive. Right now, think of one thing you're grateful for financially. It could be your job, your business, your home, even the small things like being able to buy a coffee. Whatever it is, say thank you for it right now. Say the affirmation again. I am grateful for the wealth I have and the wealth on its way. One more time. I am grateful for the wealth I have and the wealth on its way. Type something you're grateful for in the comments. You'll be amazed at how this simple act can shift your mindset. Affirmation number 7. I attract opportunities that create more money. Say it with me. I attract opportunities that create more money. Opportunities are everywhere. In conversations, in new skills, in unexpected places. When your mind is tuned to see them, they show up again and again. You are someone who spots those opportunities. You take them, you grow them. So say it again. I I attract opportunities that create more money. This time, think about the last opportunity you had, whether big or small, and imagine it multiplying. Because the truth is, the more you believe this, the more your life will prove it to be. And there you have it, the 7 most powerful money affirmations. Say them daily, write them down, repeat them when you wake up and before you go to sleep. These are not just words, they are instructions to your subconscious mind. They are seeds planted in your reality, and when you water them with belief and action, they grow into financial freedom. If this video helped you, please give it a like. Share it with someone who needs to hear these words today, and subscribe for more wealth building content every single week. Now tell me in the comments, which affirmation was your favorite? And remember, wealth is already on its way to you. I'll see you in the next video.